Hello kids, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Teacher Mikel, your online teacher in English 3. Today, we will be discussing about possessive pronouns. But first, let's define pronouns. Pronouns are used to replace nouns. Possessive pronouns. They show ownership or possession. They also state that something belongs to someone. These are examples of possessive pronouns. My, your, her, his, its, our, their, mine, yours, hers, his, ours, and theirs. Like for example, my book, your pencil, her dress, his towel, our classroom. The underlined words are examples of possessive pronouns. Another set of examples: their food, the bag is mine, I lost my paper, can I have yours? The phone is hers, the ball is his. The underlined words in the following phrases and sentences are examples of possessive pronouns. To understand more our lesson, let's have an activity. Identify the possessive pronouns used in the following sentences. She is my sister. What is the possessive pronoun used in the sentence? Brilliant! The answer is mine. The book is mine, but you are welcome to read it. What is the possessive pronoun used in the sentence? Very good. The answer is mine. Please return my phone. What is the possessive pronoun used in the sentence? Brilliant. The answer is my. She has a new bag. It is hers. What is the possessive pronoun used in the sentence? Brilliant. Hers. We have new shoes. They are ours. What is the possessive pronoun used in the sentence? Very good. The answer is ours. For our second activity, identify the possessive pronouns to be used in the following sentences. I have a new book. It is mine or ours. What is the correct possessive pronoun to be used in the sentence? Is it mine or ours? Brilliant! The answer is mine. Their dog is always so friendly. What is the correct possessive pronoun to be used in the sentence? Is it their or their? Very good. The answer is their. I forgot my homework, but Mary had hers, her. What is the correct possessive pronoun to be used in the sentence? Hers or her? Brilliant! The answer is hers. Tonight, I am going to my friend's house. What is the correct possessive pronoun to be used in the sentence? Is it mine or mine? Very good. The answer is mine. Mike took her book back to the library. What is the correct possessive pronoun to be used in the sentence? Is it his or her? Very good. His. Once again, kids, that possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. They state that something belongs to someone. Once again, these are examples of possessive pronouns. Thank you, kids. I hope that you learned something today. See you on our next video.